你们好，我是春燕。Hello, this is the Chinese language instructor Chun Yan. Welcome to Mandarin for Our Classroom. In today's lesson, I'm going to talk about the particle le. The usage of le is really complex. Many foreign students make mistakes in knowing when and where to use le. Today, I'm going to explain a few basic usage of le. I'm going to use different structures to explain it. Let's get started. Firstly, le is not the same as the past tense. For example, I was born in 1989. You can't say 我1989年出生了. It's wrong. You should say 我1989年出生. 我1989年出生. Because I was born in 1989, it's about the detail of past event. It's not about if the action completed or not. So, when the action or event happened regularly, habitually, daily, or every plus time, such as every day, every week, every year, you don't need le. For example, I swam every day last year. 我去年每天都游泳. 我去年每天都游泳. You can't say 我去年每天都游泳了. Now let's talk about when do we use le. The first usage of le is to express the completion of action. But action can be not only in the past, but also in the present and in the future. Has nothing to do with tense. The structure is subject plus time plus verb plus le plus object. For example, I watched a movie. That means the action completed in the past. 我看了一场电影. 我看了一场电影. He went on business yesterday. That means the action happened yesterday and present. 他昨天出差了. 他昨天出差了. I'm going to see you after eating. That means the action will happen after certain event. 我吃了饭以后去找你. 我吃了饭以后去找你. Now let's talk about the negation. When action is not completed or did not happen, we put may before the verb and drop the le. For example, did he go to the supermarket? 他去超市了吗? 他去超市了吗? He didn't go to the supermarket. 他没去超市. 他没去超市. Did you do your homework? 你写作业了吗? 你写作业了吗? I didn't do my homework. 我没写作业. 我没写作业. Now let's talk about the second uses of le, expressing already with le. Already, 已经, 已经. When something already happened, the structure is 已经 plus verb phrase plus le. For example, are you in university now? 你现在上大学了吗？你现在上大学了吗？ Yes, I have already gone to university. 是的，我已经上大学了。是的，我已经上大学了。When do you arrive at the company? 你什么时候到公司？你什么时候到公司？ I have already arrived at the company. 我已经到公司了。我已经到公司了。Sometimes the feeling of already can also be expressed with le if it's response to a question or statement. For example, you should tell him. 你应该告诉他。你应该告诉他。I told him. 我告诉他了。我告诉他了。Did you pay the phone bill? 你交电话费了吗？你交电话费了吗？ I paid. 我交了。我交了。The third uses of le, using result complement 完 for finishing. 完 means to finish. It's used after verb to indicate the action is finished or completed. The structure is subject plus verb plus 完 plus le. For example, I have finished writing. 我写完了。我写完了。I finished eating. 我吃完了。我吃完了。If you have an object, the structure will be subject plus verb plus 完 plus object plus le. For example, I have finished my homework. 我写完作业了。我写完作业了。I have finished my food. 我吃完饭了。我吃完饭了。Now let's talk about the fourth uses of le. Is to express the changing of state. When the situation is changed, and it's now different compared to before or indicates new condition, le is used at the end of the sentence. For example, I don't smoke anymore. So that means I smoked before but now changed. 我不抽烟了。我不抽烟了。It's raining, so that means it was not raining before but now changed. 下雨了。下雨了。The fifth uses of le can be used with other words in set structure. First one, 太 plus adjective plus le is used for something which is extremely. For example, I'm so happy. 我太开心了。我太开心了。Today is extremely cold. 今天太冷了。今天太冷了。Second one, adjective plus 极了。It means extreme, utmost, or perfect. For example, the taste is perfect. 味道好极了。味道好极了。The landscape there is so beautiful. 那儿的风景美极了。 那儿的风景美极了。The third one, adjective plus 死了。死了 literally means to death, but here, exclamation extremely. For example, it's so hot today. 今天热死了。今天热死了。The dishes here is so delicious. 这儿的菜好吃死了。这儿的菜好吃死了。Thank you for watching. I hope it's clear for you. If you have questions, please let me know. I'll see you again next time. 再见。